Sophie Lakshmanan and welcome to my tutorial on paper quilling without using any paper quilling tools. To begin, we will first cut 7 strips of quilling paper from the construction paper. Make 1/4 inch markings on opposite sides of the paper. Draw a line connecting the two sides and cut the strips using a scissors. You can alternatively use a cutting blade to cut out the strips. Now, let us make a quilling tool using a toothpick. Make a slit using a cutting blade on the flat edge side of the toothpick. Be careful when using the cutting blade. Pour out some glue on a lid and keep toothpicks ready near it. Take 1 strip of paper in your left hand and the toothpick with slit in your right hand. Insert one end of the strip into the slit in the toothpick and hold tight. Start turning the toothpick towards you. Once you reach the end of the strip, carefully remove the coil and place it on a flat surface to unwrap. To control the size of the coil, allow the coil to unwrap between your thumb and index finger. Use the ruler as a guide. Apply glue using another toothpick and secure the end. Pinch one side of this coil to change the shape from circle to teardrop. Repeat 5 more times to get 6 teardrops in total. Take the 7th strip of paper and start coiling it in the same way as for a teardrop. Once you reach the end, seal the end with glue. Do not let it unwrap. Add glue between all the pieces and secure them together. And there you have it, your very own paper quilled flower without using any paper quilling tools.